have a feeling there's going to have big
The
concern.
navigator.
Joe White is here. Host of the David
Too
West
busy
Show.
taking pictures doing directions.
We missed the exit. It's too busy.
Not
The
surprising.
navigator is too busy. We missed the exit.
Surprising. Yes.
The passenger princess. This is the passenger navigator.
You know, you're in traffic.
People, they're all echoing the same issue.
Wow, so stylish. Ah. Da, da, da. What is that? Is that a sun?
Is that sun?
Yeah, that's right. Wow! Go the other way. 1, 2, 3, go! Woof woof. Yeah.
Along the river, it wasn't here, it was farther down.
Ah, okay. So nice. They even have a park. Bicycle, bicycle. Let me see.
Take a week. Get that yawn from next week.
You having fun? Give me fun. Yeah.
Sally. She buckle herself. Well, I guess it's the sign we have to go home. Oh, look at the bird, Cassie.